Providing safe, clean, reliable, and affordable water service to the communities we serve is our top priority. That's why we're committed to replacing all lead and galvanized service lines. To do this, we need your help identifying the material of your service line. It may be made of brass, copper, lead, galvanized steel, or plastic. First, locate your service line. It will be near your main shutoff valve, typically located in your basement, garage, or crawl space. Next, there are two simple tests you can do to identify the material. When you conduct these tests, be sure to look at the section of pipe between the shutoff valve and the wall. For the first test, you will need a magnet, like one from your refrigerator. Put the magnet on the pipe between the wall and the valve. If it sticks, your pipe is galvanized steel. A magnet will not stick to lead, copper, or brass. If the magnet doesn't stick, then you can move on to the second test. Grab a coin or a key and carefully scratch the pipe between the wall and the valve. Lead will scratch easily, revealing a shiny silver color beneath. If your pipe reveals a copper or golden color when scratched, it is not made of galvanized steel. If the pipe is plastic, it will most likely be black, white, or blue. Be sure the pipe is not painted when identifying the type of pipe. Once you have identified the type of pipe, snap a picture with the scratch mark visible. Finally, visit our website and help us get the lead out by completing your survey. We appreciate your help in identifying the material of your service line and supporting our commitment to providing safe, clean, reliable, and affordable water service. Learn more about our program online.